So here's the voltage of the 12-volt system. This is the capacitor. It's hooked up to the battery in the front, and then another lead acid. And then here's the lithium. So right now it's turned off. It's on the isolator, and the isolator's off. So when you turn the isolator on, you'll see that it's going to take some current, and the voltage will go up a little bit because it likes to sit at 13.4. So you see the voltage go up. It's going to take some current. It's going to give some current out. I turn it off. Then on. And off. Alright, so now I'm going to go turn the car on. And when you turn the bolt on, the voltage goes up to 14.7 or so. And I have it on a switch here too. So it'll go up to about 14.6, 14.7 for this first couple of minutes. So when you turn on, hook up the lithium, now it's taking a lot of current. Negative 35 amps going into the battery. And the 12-volt system is trying to be at like 14.7. And usually after about 3 minutes, the inverter will go back down to either 13.8 volts or 12.8, depending on if you turn on the lights. So it's going to be at 12.8, but then when I turn on the lights, it'll go up to 13.8. So usually I'm driving in the daytime with the lights on.